anything off of here. This wiring is from 1939, so it's pretty fragile. Hi friends. You may remember a few weeks ago I wrote an article about how I'm becoming one of the true goobers in my kind of instrument collecting travails here. And a couple weeks ago I went up to Ojai and I picked up this, which is a pretty much wrecked and useless Hammond BC. But the reason I picked it up is because it has this, which, if you take a look here, closer look, it has the chorus generator. Before the Hammond vibrato chorus with the scanner, before the scanner vibrato system, the way they got chorus was through a totally separate tone wheel generator. And the tone wheels were detuned from the main tone generator by very slight but precise amounts. And so you would get true chorus. What I'm going to be doing is there's another Hammond BC that I'm going to be getting that is in decent shape. It's in, salvageable shape, but it's missing the chorus generator. And so the only reason I bought this organ was for this, to harvest this chorus generator, because these are really hard to find. These organs were never as well known. They didn't build nearly as many of them as they did the later organs, and they're very cool, and fully intact ones are hard to find. So that's why I'm restoring this other BC. But now I just need to check and see if this chorus generator will even spin up. So here we go. I've got the Widowmaker hooked up. Really all it is just an AC plug with a couple of alligator leads here so I can tap into the start motor here. So I'm going to see if the start motor spins. I'm going to see if the tone generator will spin up. Okay, fingers crossed. All right, so it's grinding. So let's see if we can free up this pinion a little bit here. It means things are just kind of gummed up. So if I can get this to engage here, I'm just going to kind of massage this pinion a little bit. This organ was sitting out for a long time. Come on. I'll give this a little manual stimulation. Okay. So now the gears are engaged. It's pretty stuck. Let's see if I can give it a little boost. Come on, baby. Pretty gummed up. This is probably the first time it's spun in who knows how long. But what it needs is, I need to take it out, I need to completely just douche it out. I need to get in there and just clean it out, oil it point by point, get some oil fed to it. I don't even know if the run motor works. That's going to be the next thing to test, is the run motor, see if the run motor even works at all. Hit it with a little WD-40 here. You're not really supposed to use WD-40 on Hammond tone generators normally, but in emergency situations when they're really gummed up or you have stuck tone wheels or whatever, it's okay. As long as you replace it with Hammond oil down the road, because WD-40 is not a lubricant, it's more of a solvent. Yeah. It even seems to be spinning down a little better. I think once I get this thing out and really clean it out and oil it surgically and clean it up, I think it's going to be good. I just have to see if the run motor is any good. Well, that's encouraging. What other instrument or any sort of machine can you imagine, especially one as precision as a Hammond, could be sitting out in a field to rot and then come back to life so easily, you know. So it's, yeah, I mean, it's really a testament to their engineering and their quality, that this thing from the 30s that probably hasn't started in decades came back to life with really out much prodding.